Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought another update regarding faculty recruitment. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe my channel. So regarding faculty recruitment in various colleges, the first vacancy which came in today's paper, that is in KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology. They have requirement for professor, associate professor and assistant professor for different specialization like BME, basic mechanical engineering, computer science and engineering, ECE, chemical, chemistry, English, maths and physics. If you have PhD in related subjects, then you apply here. Means if you have PhD, then you will be preferred, but if you have masters also with sufficient number of experience, then also you get considered there. Second requirement for aptitude trainer, if you have postgraduate with 2 year experience in related field, means if you have taught for 2 years related to aptitude or you if you have taken banking classes or SSC classes like that, then you can apply here. Third one, for receptionist, if you have good command over English communication and having graduate with 2 year of experience, then you apply here. Last one, for lab technician and lab instructor, if you have BSc, MSc, BE, BTech and 2 year of relevant experience in lab technician or lab instructor for artificial intelligence and data science, chemical, civil, computer science, electrical, electronics and EC, then you can apply here. For applying, you have to send your resume on career@kpriet.ac.in. You have to check out that today is the last date for this recruitment. Means only you have to send your resume, so nothing like you have to mention your name or and other things. If you have resume, then only you have to email that resume on this email ID, career@kpriet.ac.in. Second recruitment for faculty is in Godavari Institute of Engineering and Technology. This college is in Andhra Pradesh. They have recruitment for professor, associate professor and assistant professor. For professor, they are require the qualification required is PhD, and if you have good 10 to 12 of year of experience, then you can apply for professor post. And next one, for associate professor, if you have PhD with 8 to 12 year of experience in teaching and research and looking for a specialization in artificial intelligence, machine learning and cyber security, then you can apply. Next one, for assistant professor, and they are the qualification required for this is MTech with a good number of experience. If you want to apply for civil, electrical, electronics, mechanical, ECE, computer science and engineering, AME and mining, then you apply here. Next, for pharmacy also they have requirement for professor, assistant professor, associate professor and assistant professor. For professor, the qualification required is PhD with good number of experience in academics, research and innovation. For associate professor, they have recruitment for in pharmaceutics, pharmacognosy, pharma, biotech. If you have PhD in relevant subjects, then you can apply and having 5 year of experience. Next one, for assistant professor, if you have masters in related subjects with 5 year of experience, then you apply for this assistant professor. They have also requirement for professor and assistant professor in forensic sciences. For professor, they are the qualification required is PhD in forensic science, and for assistant professor, they have the qualification required is MSc in forensic science with a specialization in question domain or toxicology or cyber forensic. They have requirement for assistant professor in statistics. If you have MSc in statistics with a good number of experience, then you apply here. They also required caretaker for male and female for hostels. So if you want to apply for any post here, then you have to send your resume on jobs@giet.ac.in. This advertisement came on 2nd of March 2021. Next one, in Mari Lakshman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management. They have requirement for professor, associate professor and assistant professor and some lab assistant or technician in civil branch, computer science, CSD, computer science and engineering, CSM, CSI, EC, electrical electronics, IT, mechanical, MBA, English, mathematics, physics, chemistry, environmental science, agricultural, BSc, and accountant, junior assistant, DTP operator. So the vacancy is for different specialization. So if you want to apply here, then you have to directly go to college address on 8th of March 2021. No, sorry. They have you have to send your resume or you have to directly send your resume at office on or before 8th of March 2021, or you can also mail one copy of resume along with a scanned copy of certificate to info@mlritm.ac.in. Qualification and experience required as per JNTUH and AICT norms. If you have any problem, then you can call on this number. Third vacancy is in third college where faculty recruitment going on is Maturi Venkata Subba Rao Engineering College. This college, where is this college? This college is in Hyderabad, and it's approved by ICT and Osmania University. They are running branches like civil, computer science, EC, electrical, electronics, IT, and mechanical. They have recruitment for faculty, means professor, associate professor, and assistant professor for automobile branch, civil branch, computer science and engineering, EC, electrical, electronics, IT, mechanical, science and humanities, and MBA. Qualification required is as per AICT norms. So interested and eligible candidate can submit the application and API score along with supporting document in the respective department on or before 12th of March 2021. For further detail, visit the college website. So if you want to apply, then you have to send your supporting document and resume on or before 12th of March 2021. Either you can post or there is nothing mentioned like email ID. So you go to college website and search it in career section. Then maybe there it is given. Otherwise, you have to send your resume and write on the envelope that for applying for the post of professor in following department like mechanical, computer science, etc. Next vacancy is in St. Mary, Hyderabad, Guntur, and Kolkata. The faculty recruitment. They have different MTech courses and BTech courses like computer artificial intelligence, data science, artificial intelligence, CSE data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning, computer science and engineering, cyber security, Internet of Things with MTech or equivalent, PhD qualification in. They have nothing like they have different means all branches related to computer science and some MBA courses also. So if you have PhD or M Pharma or B Pharma, and then you apply here. Nothing detail related to other engineering branches. Interview and appointment process will be carried out either by Skype or Zoom by an experienced and extremely qualified selection committee. If you want to send your resume, then you can send your resume at hr@stmarriesgroup.com on or before 5th of March 2021. So you can ignore this advertisement. Nothing means everything related to computer science they have. Next advertisement of Sri Tapi Brahmacharya Sabha, Sri Swami Atmanand Saraswati Vidya Sankul. This is the address, and this is I think this is group Sri Tapi Brahmacharya Sabha. They have two colleges, Sri Swami Atmanand Saraswati Institute of Technology, and second one Tapi Engineering College, Tapi Diploma Engineering College. They have recruitment for requirement for different branches for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor. Like for mechanical, they have total two post for professor, 4 for associate, and 1 for assistant professor. For civil, they have a requirement for 3 assistant professor, 5 associate professor, and 2 as professor recruitment. For electrical also, they have some one professor one professor vacancy there, 2 for associate and 1 for assistant. Electronics and communication also, they have 1 vacancy for professor, 2 vacancy for associate, 1 vacancy for this assistant professor. And they have also requirement for computer science. They have 2 post vacant for assistant professor, 4 for associate, and 1 for computer science. And no vacancy for chemical, automobile, and information technology. Some vacancies in humanity and social sciences, 1 for maths, 1 for English, 1 for management, and 1 for physics. And no vacancy for lab assistant, and some requirement for administrator also. They have some vacancy for diploma college also. For mechanical, 3 post for lecture vacant, civil 2 post, computer 3 post vacant, chemical 2 post vacant, and automobile 2 post vacant, information technology 1 post vacant, and 1 vacancy for HOD also in chemical, automobile, and information technology. It's an educational qualification, experience, and pay scale. It's all as per AICT and Gujarat Technological University norm. Suitable candidate applying for Sri Swami Atmanand Saraswati Institute of Technology can download the prescribed application form from the website, and candidate applying for Tapi Diploma Engineering College can download the prescribed application form from Diploma College site. Filled application along with self-attested copies of required certificates should be reached respective institute office by post latest by 31st March 2021. So you have to go to college site, download the application form, and send on the college address. Means above it is given. So the next vacancy is in Sri Shiv Kumara Mahaswamy College of Engineering and Polytechnic. They have requirement for associate professor, assistant professor, and professor in civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics communication, computer science, information science and engineering, basic science department, MBA, physical education director, library, and assistant librarian. They have some requirement for non-teaching post also, like placement officer, receptionist, driver, foreman, instructor, and attender. So if you want to apply, then you can also apply by email. It is given in upper side. Recruit drsmce2211@gmail.com. So you have to apply within 15 days from the date of advertisement with supporting document. Next vacancy is in United Group of Institution, Allahabad and Greater Noida campuses. They have various colleges. They have requirement for director, professor, associate professor, assistant professor in computer science, electronics communication, electrical, electronics, civil, maths, English, pharmacy, MBA, BBA, BCA, mass communication, and journalism. They also have requirement for placement officer for verbal ability, quant, reasoning, personality development. Some vacancies for technical trainer, either you can apply for part time or full time. They have requirement for C, C++, Java, Python, data structure, algorithm design, MATLAB, etc. They have also requirement for hostel warden, accounts clerk, sports officer, office assistant, network admin, lab instructor in computer science, electrical, electronics, mechanical, physics, chemistry, workshop, and pharmacy. So if you want to apply, then you have to send your resume with photocopies of document on or before 10th of March 2021 by post or email. They have given the email. They have given address, so you can apply on that, and they have also mentioned email ID, so you can also apply by email. Next vacancy is in Swarna Bharati Institute of Science and Technology. This college in Khammam, I think it is in Tamil Nadu. So you have to check out where it is. It's not clear. It's where. They have requirement for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor in computer science, EC, electrical, electronics, mechanical, civil, English, math, physics, chemistry, and MBA. Senior faculty with PhD are required to teach MTech computer science. Interested candidate can send their resume to college email on or before 18th of March 2021. They also have given email ID, so you can send your resume on that email ID before 18th of March 2021. Next vacancy is in East Point College of Engineering and Technology. This college is in Bangalore. They have Akin for associate professor for computer science, ECE department, and ICE. PhD degree with 5 years of experience. You can go there and then you attend the interview. They have also requirement for assistant professor in civil engineering department. If you have MTech with 5 years of experience, then you can apply. They have also required some research assistant for government funded project. If you have MTech or PhD pursuing area specialization data acquisition using MATLAB and Antenna, then go on 6th March 2021 at 10 a.m. to college campus and attend the interview. Or if you want to apply and want to consider for future recruitment, then you can send your resume to hr.apcet@eastpoint.ac.in. So this is they also have there is also one vacancy in Amrita Educational Society, Chennai. They have requirement for professor, assistant professor, and associate professor in computer science, mechanical, ECE, maths, and English. If you have PhD, then you can apply. PhD before beginning of employment. Good research credential are must. So if you have PhD, then you can apply here. They also have some non-teaching post recruitment. So check out that and send your resume on hrase.chn@amrita.edu for School of Engineering, Chennai campus. Next vacancy is in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. This college is in Sri Perambudur. It's in Andhra Pradesh. They have a requirement for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor in automobile, civil, computer science, electrical, electronics communication, marine, mechanical, biotech, chemical, information technology, artificial intelligence, and some postgraduate program, ME communication system, computer science and engineering, power electronics and drives, ME mechatronics, biotech, chemical engineering, industrial automation and robotics, cyber forensic and information technology, and some post vacant for science and humanity department like for physics, chemistry, mathematics, and English. Qualification required as per AICTE. They also have some vacancy for research fellow, postgraduate degree holder in mechanical, ECE, CSE, electrical, electronics, chemical, information technology, and biotech. They can apply here. Benefits: EPF, gratuity. Other benefits you can get there: financial assistance to faculty for participation in national and international conferences, and mentor research scholar in research center recognized by Anna University. They also provide some incentive for publication in journals, funded projects, and PhD qualification. They have requirement for non-teaching posts also, like lab instructor and lab technician. If you have ITI diploma or BB Tech, then you can apply here. You have to send your resume on this email ID, hr@sbce.ac.in, or you can send your resume on this address. So there are a good number of colleges where vacancy is vacant for professor. You check out and apply there. So that is all about today.